Everywhere I go, I keep a picture in my...
Muna tayo. Anong pangalan ng partner ko sa Linlang? Anong pangalan ng partner ko sa What's Wrong with Secretary Kim? Kim Chu. Kim Chu pa rin.
Paolo Avellino might have broken the hearts of some, though could also have thrilled many, when he revealed the wallpaper that he had on his mobile phone. In an ambush interview with some members of the press, the actor showed everyone the photo of actress Kim Chiu displayed as his mobile phone's wallpaper. At the time, the two, along with some personalities and staff, were on their way to Surigao del Sur for a show there. Upon their arrival, they were seen sitting together in what could be a press conference. It was at this moment that Paolo flipped his phone to show everyone the displayed wallpaper, which none other than Kim. Many Kim Pao followers were thrilled on seeing the wallpaper, prompting some to speculate about the status of their relationship. In a past interview, however, Paolo indicated there wasn't any romantic link between him and Kim as of this time, especially since Kim just got out of a relationship. He also said it would be better if both of them would just wait for the proper time.
Muna tayo. Anong pangalan ng partner ko sa Linlang? Anong pangalan ng partner ko sa What's Wrong with Secretary Kim? Kim Chu. Kim Chu pa rin.
Nasubukan mo na bang ipagbalik? Nakalimutan o kaya nasantabi? Nasabihan na mismo ka, ngunit di para sa kanya. Nasubukan mo na bang ipagsabay? Nahirapan ang kanya mga kamay, wala man nang iniwanan kanya. Hey, sakit naman, diba? Ulit-ulit na dahilan, nariyan pa rin nasasaktan. Dinggin ang awiting nagsasabing bumango. Let's go! Awit na ba ang kumakas? Tusok na na ba tayo? Tusok tumingin lang tayo. Na umibigat lang itihado. Huwag magpapatalo tayo. Wala bang hiyawan dyan? Let's go, Tigray! Palusot dahilan yun pala'y pinagalit ka lang pala sa may sablay. Nasabihan hindi para sa pag-ibig mo. Nasabihan ka na parang ayoko na, o kaya mas masaya ako sa kanya. Wala ka nang ginawa na siya, ay sakit naman sila. Ulit-ulit na dahilan, nariyan pa rin nasasaktan. Dinggin ang awiting nagsasabing bumangon. Awit na ba ako makas? Tusok na na ba tayo? Tusok tumingan lang tayo. Na ang bibigat lang itihado. Huwag magpapatalo tayo.
Sayang di ako magaling mag-rap. Kung magaling sana ako mag-rap, makikijam ako eh.
Alam mo, hindi mo naman kailangan mag-rap.
Bakit?
Okay ka na yun, okay na yun.
Ha? Bakit?
Araw tayo na lang.
Where I go, I keep a picture in my wallet like
Mag-selfie ta. 3, 2, 1, smile. Alright, thank you so much.
Thank you. Maraming salamat.
Daghang salamat. Di ba Bisaya ka?
Daghang salamat.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Nag-enjoy kami. Ingat kayo lahat. Maraming salamat po.